Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Facebook Ads 2019 video training. Designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Facebook Ads in 2019 on behalf of your business. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Facebook Ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest Facebook ad strategies for 2019. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what are Facebook ads all about? Video number 2, Facebook Ads Manager walkthrough. Video number 3, how to advertise a Facebook page post. Video number 4, creating a Facebook ad with the Ads Manager. Video number 5, how to increase engagement with Facebook ads. Video number 6, creating a video advertising campaign for Facebook. Video number 7, creating a lead capture campaign. Video number 8, promoting your local business with Facebook ads. Video number 9, creating and installing a Facebook tracking pixel. Video number 10, driving actions on your website with a conversion campaign. Video number 11, setting up a remarketing campaign on Facebook. Video number 12, taking advantage of Facebook custom audiences. Video number 13, how to get all your Facebook ads approved. Video number 14, Facebook ad tips for advertisers in 2019. Video number 15, crazy Facebook ad strategies to apply in 2019. Video number 16, setting up a Facebook advertising funnel that converts. Video number 17, do's and don'ts. Video number 18, premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, shocking case studies. Video number 20, frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Facebook ads in 2019 on behalf of your business.